So guys, if you suspect that your GPU driver is corrupted, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. And then you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on the driver tab, and then click on rollback driver. If it does not let you roll back driver, if it's grayed out like it is for me, that's fine. We're going to move on to the second step. So click on OK. And now for the second step, you want to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download GeForce Experience. Once you're on this website, you want to click on download now. It's going to start downloading. And then once you're on this, you just want to install this. And then click on yes. I'm using a virtual machine, so I cannot show you the rest of the installation, but it's just very simple. You just want to follow through with it and just download GeForce Experience and install it. And now for the next step, once you're on GeForce Experience, you want to click on the driver tab, and then click on check for updates. Make sure your graphics card drivers are fully up to date. And then once you do that, you just want to restart your computer, and then you should be good to go.